The other form of water-soluble graphite you can get is in a stick, like this, great big fat crayon.
Oh, yeah, I've seen those, yep.
Make sure you get the one that says water-soluble.
Okay, yep.
There's a few brands you can get. This is a Lyra one.
Okay.
This is my well-loved one. It's a Montmartre brand, but I don't think they make it anymore. But this is a 9B that I've been using in my my little runaway from home art kit. I've got this little roll-up that's got one of everything that I need as a spare, and it's sitting in that bag. So if we ever go out to the Botanic Gardens, or we go out to a cafe for lunch, or we go on a trip, I just grab that bag and run. So it's got all my art gear in it, and this one's the one that lives in there. You can see it's been very well loved. It used to look like that. But this is a 9B, which is really dark.
Wow.
So let's say you want to, I'll show you how dark this one can get. Same thing, you just draw with it like it's a pencil. Let's say he's holding onto a heart-shaped balloon.
Okay.
So here's the little balloon here. You can see that all right? And the light's coming from this side, so let's say I'll make it a little balloon like that. And then I'll put a bit of shading on this side. Doesn't matter how rough you do this, like I'm deliberately making it as rough as anything. And then you go in with it with the water and watch the magic that happens here.
Oh wow. How different is that?
Let's put a little bit of shadow on this one too, make it really looking 3D.
Yeah.
And a little bit on here. Woohoo!
How different is that?
Look at that.
Yeah.
Isn't that yummy?
That's gorgeous. Yeah. Ideas are phenomenal.
So that's something a bit fun to, if you're really starting to have fun with your drawing, especially once you start practicing with more little drawings like you're doing, then it just, we do that in the second month of Learn to Draw because it adds this whole level of sparkle into your drawings. And I've made that look really easy. Now, one thing is I want you to be aware that if you have a go the first time, it might not come out as nice because there's a bit of a knack to it. I've been painting with watercolour for 20 years now.
Okay.
So painting with a brush and pushing pigment around to me is like second nature, but when you first have a go yourself, if it doesn't work as smoothly as that the first time, don't beat yourself up. There's a little bit of a knack to it, and I show people how to do that through a whole set of steps of building up your skill until you can get to that thing where you just go whoosh and it just goes beautiful gradient. We go through that in level 2 of the Learn to Draw course.